Consider the function f of x is equal to 6x squared plus 8x minus 14. If you were to actually graph this, you would have something that kind of looks like this, with x-intercepts at negative 7 over 3, and this one right here would be 1. Alright, so the question is how can we write this function in factored form using the graph? Well, these, remember, are going to be your x-intercepts. So, what you have initially is x plus 7 over 3 and x minus 1. Now keep in mind, of course, that the equation is going to require an a. It may be 1, it may be another one. We have to figure that one out. So in that case, what you can do is find another random point. So for example, if you graph this on this calculator, you can grab a point, say something like 2 and 26. That's going to help you find your a. So first off, we got to get rid of that fraction. Let's do that by multiplying this bracket by the denominator. So you've got 3 on the outside. You got x plus 7 over 3. That's going to be distributed within the bracket, so you're left with 3x plus 7, x minus 1. And so what we're going to do is we're going to replace the x's with 2. We don't know what a is, and y is going to be replaced with 26. So here I've replaced the x's with 2 and the y with 26. Let's solve this. So we've got 26 on this side. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 7, that's going to be 13. 2 minus 1 is just going to be 1, and then of course we have our a. That must mean here that we're going to have 13a is equal to 26. So if you divide that by 13, divide this one by 13, we'll find out that a is equal to 2. This makes it easy. Just plug it into the rest of the equation. What we have here is an equation, the factored form is going to be 2, and it's going to be 3x plus 7, x minus 1. And that is the factored form. In B, we have to verify the result in A by using decomposition to express this equation in factored form. So, first off, you want to take a look if there's anything in common we can take out of it. We absolutely can. That's going to be a 2. They're all even numbers. So it's going to be 2 on the outside, and what you're left with is 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. Multiplying this together, the first and the third terms, you're going to have negative 21. Now, what adds to give you 4, but multiplies to give you negative 21? Well, it's going to be a positive and a negative number, and since this is big and positive, the bigger number should be positive as well. So working this one out, you're going to have 3x squared plus 7x minus 3x minus 7. You can take an x out of the first one, so it's going to be 3x plus 7, and you can take a negative 1 out of the next one, which is going to be 3x plus 7. And that's f of x, of course. And so you're left with 2 and then 3x plus 7, x minus 1, which is exactly what we got the first time around.